lesson, The Great Indian Desert. Lesson number 5, The Great Indian Desert. Already we were discussing about the desert state of India in the previous class. We said which is the greatest desert in India? The Thar desert is the greatest desert in India. Okay, where is it located? It is located in the Rajasthan. So we are for the majority of it, the Thar desert is located in the Rajasthan. So we are called it that Rajasthan is a desert state of India. Okay, we already discussed that concept in the previous class. Next we have to go to the life in the desert. What? Life in the desert. We know that a lot of people are living in the desert states. What is the lifestyle of the people in the desert? And then in this case, first we need to discuss about the climate in the desert. Okay? First one is the climate. Let's be happy. You have to open your textbook to page number 52. And the climate. The climate in desert is extremely hot and dry. The sand in the desert heats up and cools down very fast. So, while the days are hot and the nights are quite cool. What's the feature of the climate in the desert states? We know that it is a climate hot and dry. Even it is extremely hot and dry climate is there in the desert state. And then in the daytime we have to get very heavy hot because of that sand is there. Desert is completely covered by sand. What is the feature of the sand? Sand is very easy to hot as well as very easy to cool. As compared to the water, the sand is very easy to hot. Due to the day sunlight, we know that the sand is very hot, so we can't live that much heavy hot is there in the daytime. It is another one feature that is very easy to cool. So at the night, quite a cool climate is there. That is the one feature of the desert. Okay, what is the feature? In the desert states, beside the Rajasthan states, we know that a very hot and dry climate is there and the sandy land is there. So the land is very heavy hot during the day and very cool during the night. Okay, next one is the people. People in the desert. People living in different states of Thar desert speaks different languages. Gujarati is spoken in Gujarat. In Rajasthan, people speak in Rajasthani, whereas in Haryana, people speak Haryanvi and Punjabi speak in Punjabi language. Okay, and the rest of people in the Thar desert, we know that different peoples are living in the Rajasthan states. Okay, just we had like in Madhya Pradesh. We know that a lot of outside states members also living here. Same like in Rajasthan also different types of peoples are living and then they are using the different languages. Those who are in the Rajasthan, they are using the Rajasthani language. Those who are in the Haryana and the Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat, these four states which is covered the desert states, means that the Thar desert is covers. So we know that the Rajasthan peoples are using the Rajasthani language, Gujarati peoples are using the Gujarati language, and then Haryana using the Haryanvi language, Punjab peoples are using the Punjabi language. So in these peoples are using the different languages. Okay, and then in the villages, people build a special houses to protect themselves from the extreme heat. The walls of the houses are thick, made of mud, and the windows are small. So the houses remain cool. What's the feature of the houses in the Rajasthan? We know that very heavy, hot and dry climate is there in the Rajasthan. So they are using extremely different houses. They are not making house by house because they can't suffer that much heat. So they are making a special type of a house according to their climate. And what is the feature of their houses? They are using their walls. Walls of the houses are very thick. By using the mud, they are using the mud and making the thick wall house. Okay, and then they are not making a long windows or a big windows. They are not using. Windows are very small one. Very small windows they are using. Because of that, the air should be come inside and through the windows means that they can't suffer that much hot. So to protecting the sunlight to enter the inside the home, that purpose they are making the very small windows. And then they are using the thick wall house by using the mud, and then they are using the very small windows. And the next one is they are small which one is also they are using the flat roof house also. What's the feature? Flat roof. Because of they are getting the very scanty rainfall. Scanty means very less rainfall only they have to get. But they have to get a very less rainfall only they have to get. So they are making that flat roof, not a sloped roof. Okay, and the next one here, often the walls, floors and the ceilings of these houses are insulated with cakes made of cow dung. We know that we are also making the cow dung cakes. And then they are fixed that one on the walls and then as well as the floor and then that floor and then roof also they are using the cow dung. To make the house for purpose they are applying like these things. And then the houses also have flat roofs as there is no much rainfall in this region. What's the feature of the houses? Even if there is a house they are using the flat roof only. Okay, this board is a very thick one by using the mud. Okay, and the wall of the even wall they are applying the cow cake of the cow dung as well as the floor and then outside also they are using the cow dung. Okay, and then they are not making like this roof. Inside a swap roof house they should not make at the Rajasthan because we know very well that climate is very hot and dry. So they are not preferred with the slop roof house instead of they are making in the flat roof house. Okay, and the next one is here a cluster of houses in the villages of Rajasthan is known as the Dani. We know that here like this. Just you have to see the picture and then like these houses they are making and then group of houses are there in that one place. Okay, all houses outside you have to see the what is the flat roof only there. Okay, and then small houses are there. Can you see the windows of this house? Very small windows are there. Okay, ventilation facilities are very less in this case. Okay, and then what is the reason? They need to protect themselves from the heavy, hot and dry climate. Okay, and then this type of houses is a cluster, a group of houses is located in one place and that cluster is known as Dani. Okay, the cluster of houses is known as Dani. What is the spelling? Dhani. The cluster of houses in Rajasthan is known as Dhani. Okay, and the next one. Many places in Rajasthan have developed into cities where people are engaged in various occupations other than agriculture, cattle rearing. In the cities, people mostly live in multi-storied buildings. Long water pipelines supply water to these cities. The many places in Rajasthan have developed into the cities where people are engaged in various occupations. We know that in our states like wherever the different types of occupation, instead of that agriculture and then cattle, even cow and then sheep like that, rearing is there, mixed farming is there. Instead of that occupation, some people are selected in industrial work also or other tertiary work also. The people are engaged in such type of jobs in that places. The Rajasthan cities are developed. The cities are developed in Rajasthan. Okay, in that place also we know that multi-storied buildings are there. 4, 5, 6 floor buildings also we have to see in the Rajasthan areas. And then where the people are engaged in the different types of occupations in that places, we have to see the different types of buildings, not in the mud house. Okay, developed cities also there in the Rajasthan, not an undeveloped. Okay, in that developed cities also there in that Rajasthan. And then in that place, what is the feature? They have to get the regular water also. Pipeline services are there. Through the pipeline they are sending the water to home also. Okay, so that places are more developed as compared to the village areas. Okay, and the next Banjaras. Some people living. Which one is it? Banjaras. Some people living in the desert do not settle at one place, but move from one place to another, and with their families and possession in search of water. These nomadic people are known as Banjaras. They wear colorful clothes with lots of tiny mirrors fixed on them and turbans. They travel from one place to another on camels. We know that they are very colorful dress. We also like that Rajasthani dress. You have to see on the cloth a lot of small pieces mirror they are fixing. Very attractive color dress they are wear, and then more jewels also they are using. This type of peoples are known as the Banjaras. What's the feature of the Banjaras? They are not ready to settle down one place. What's the feature? They are not ready to settle down one place. They are moving from one place to another place to search of the food as well as the search of the job. Okay, you have to see that in our surroundings also, by using the camels and with the more heavy luggage also there, with their family, they are kept in our surroundings tight. Nearly 1 or 2 months, and then agriculture season or other season, they stay there. And then after they are again back and then moving to another place. Such a type of peoples are known as Banjaras. It is also known as the nomadic people. What is it? Nomadic people. And the peoples are not ready to settle down one place. The peoples, those are moving from one place to another place to search of a job or positions or search of food. That persons are known as a nomadic people. They are also known as the Banjaras. Okay? And then animals like sheep, goats and camels are common in this region. Water is scarce, so people mostly rear cattle. And very less water is there, and they are kept there with them cows, sheep, and then goats like that, and camels like that, different animals. Camels are an important asset for the people of Rajasthan. What's the feature? Camel is a very important asset in the Rajasthan people. Camels can survive for days without water and food. Camels can also walk in the desert sand with ease due to their wide padded feet. Camel can be used for carrying loads, plowing fields, pulling carts. People drink camel's milk. So they are useful for the people living in deserts. A camel is also called the sheep of the desert. We know that the camel is a big asset of the Rajasthan people. In almost all work purpose they are using the camel. What's the feature of the camel? We know that what's the feature of the Rajasthan? It is a hot and dry area. They are not getting more water. Very less scanty rainfall only get, and so without the water they have to live more days. Okay, without the water and food, the camel can live more days, and so that animal is living there. And then again another one is that they had a padded feet is there, like that padded feet is there, and they had to walk very easy on the sand. Okay, and then without falling, and if we are moving, and surely we will be falling down. But the camel should not fall. That much like that pattern like which one is the feet is there, so they are very easy to walk in the desert. Camel can be used for carrying loads. Different purpose they are using that camels. For the different uses. To ploughing the field purpose. In our states we know that we are using the ox to plow the field. Instead of that ox, they are using the camel to plow the field. And then to carry the loads, we are using the bullock cart or any other things. And then that one is carrying animals such as a cow or ox, like that animals only carrying. But in that place, carrying the load purpose, they are using the camels. Okay. And the next one is like traveling purpose. Okay, and then we are using the horse or any other animals, but they are traveling, but they need to move one place to another place. They are always using that camels. Okay, and that keep their heavy luggage and the tie on the back, and then they are sit on that place. And the next to pull the cart. They are pulled these animals are pulled in the cart also. These like different uses also there the camels. So we That is carrying the loads. That is carrying the, not only carrying the loads, carrying the passengers from one place to another place. Like that, different uses are the same, like functions of who's also doing here, the camel also doing. So the camel is known as the ship of the desert. Listen, the camel is known as the ship of the desert. Okay, let's we have to discuss about the vegetation and then wildlife sanctuaries in the Rajasthan. Okay.